Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ryan Osterkamp, founder of Passive Profit Kings and a successful business owner who's earned millions of dollars online in internet marketing. And in today's quick video, I am going to give you 3 passive income ideas from Reddit, okay? So let's go ahead and jump right into things. The first top way to get passive income is to create a course and market it on Udemy. Now, most people don't know, but Udemy is a website you can go to where you can actually create custom courses on knowledge that you already know, and you can sell these courses online and people are willing to buy them. And I actually have a friend who has courses where he earns more than $5,000 a month in passive income, all from these courses he's made and he's put up on Udemy. And the nice thing about that is Udemy actually markets them with Facebook ads for you. You simply become a curator of content, you put that on Udemy, and they go ahead and sell it for you. So number 2, the second best way to make passive income is to sell your images online, or if you're a designer, to sell your art online. So you can go to websites like Fotolia and get up to 70% commissions on your pictures, stock images that you take out there in the world on your day-to-day life of the beaches, oceans, mountains, you name it, beautiful girls, models. You can have fun with it and get paid up to 70% commissions on Fotolia.com, and that's Fotolia. And for those designers out there, you can do the same thing on Zazzle with your creative art and get up to 15% royalties for some of your logos and design work that you'd like to create. And the third and final way to earn passive income online, that is my favorite way and my way that I've actually earned millions of dollars online, is search engine optimization, or better known as SEO, ranking in Google. Probably how you found this video in Google or on YouTube, it's ranking in the top position, right? So some cool things about SEO: you can build really small websites with drag and drop editors. You can simply start to get backlinks and learn more about this actually in our private Facebook group. It's free to join. It's Passive Profit Kings. There's a link in the description below where you can come in and you can be part of a growing community where we openly teach SEO for free. And for those of you who want to learn more about how myself and my friends and successful business owners around the world use SEO to create passive income, you can find all that information in this free Facebook group. So head over to Facebook, head over to Passive Profit Kings Facebook SEO group, and get ready to learn more. So hey guys, I just want to say, if you found this video helpful and informative, then please go ahead and give it a like, share, or subscribe. Share with your friends who are interested in passive income and could use help with this too. And you never know, just an additional $1,000 a month in passive income could really start to change your life. And when you learn to 5x that and 10x that, you're talking about a whole new ball game, and it's extremely possible. I've earned millions of dollars online just with SEO alone, and I have friends who've done even way more than I ever have as well, who are active in this group. So also guys, if you haven't already, definitely head over to the Facebook group and hop in there, and head over to PassiveProfitKings.com for more information as well, and I will see you guys on the other side. This is Rhino out. Have a good one, my Passive Profit Kings and Queens. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.